Hey, it's me Bin. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video is about how to lock stitches with or without using reverse stitch button. I'm going to use this fabric for example. First way on how to lock stitches. Leave 10 cm or more of thread hanging out. Then start sewing. When you reach the end, also leave a 10 cm or more thread hanging out. From there, tie the thread manually with your hands. Cut the excess thread. And that's the first way on how to lock your stitches. So simple! Another option on how to lock stitches. Sew 4 to 5 stitch in low speed. Lift the presser foot lifter, rotating the fabric facing your side. Then start sewing. Rotate your fabric again and sew all to the end. After reaching to the end, do it once again just like to the other end. Cut the excess thread as usual. And it's done! And for our last method, we use the reverse stitch button. Sew forward as normal. Press and hold down the reverse stitch button to sew it backwards. To sew it forward again, simply release the reverse stitch button. Do it again to the same end of the fabric. Cut the thread. And you're done! Hope you find it easy to lock stitches now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one.